Hello, this is Julian from Bridging Positions, and let me just quickly explain the so-called functional self-analysis. What is it? It's a reflection of the own function. Our contributions, our main goals are, if we mess up, what's going to happen in the organization. Typically, later you will present your functional self-analysis posters and get feedback to them. There will be a gallery walk around where people can add what they miss or see different in your functional self-analysis. When is it used? It's used to clarify interfaces, roles, responsibilities, key stakeholders. It's almost a mini job description, either of an individual or of a team. And it creates building a shared understanding of the broader team context. Now let's have a look into different areas. So the top left, you see our core responsibilities and tasks. So here you write what you as a team have as responsibilities and as tasks. Obviously, tasks from other teams that are similar should be explained. Your task should be explained very clearly so that you can differentiate them from other teams' tasks. On the right side, you find main goals. We are successful when. So what needs to happen? What needs to be in place so that you did your job, that you are successful in what you do? You write all those things here. Please, it's a little bit of walk on the edge, whether to be very high level, unspecific, or whether to be too detailed. But there's a difference between core responsibilities and main goals. So the core responsibilities lead to the main goals. That's important. Third field is processes we are involved in, processes we contribute to. So wherever you are involved in, you write it there. So basically all kind of collections of processes where you contribute. Next field is our graded resources. So what is it that we can build on? What are things that we can use as resources? You write them here. And on the other side, you have what are the greatest challenges and what is causing the greatest difficulties you have in your function. Then on the bottom, you find our key stakeholders. First, in the centerpiece, you write the different key stakeholders there. So it could be neighboring department, it could be client, it could be whatever. So you just write them down. In the next step, you think, what is the input you get from each stakeholder? So from the client, what input do we get from them? We get an order. What input do we get from the neighboring department? We get probably data, whatever it is. So it's always, input is always referring to a specific stakeholder. On the other side, you find the output. What is the output you deliver to that stakeholder? Obviously, to client, you deliver services or products. To the neighboring department, whatever it is, you deliver to them. So that is the functional self-analysis. I hope you understood that. I hope it's clear. I'm looking forward to see your end results in our work.